Yo, I'm 𝐂𝐞𝐬𝐜 over here, and today I've got a great deal for you for an SUV for short-term drive. Now, let's check it out. Introducing Subaru Forester 2-liter variant with sunroof. Have a look. Very nice, gray color, very classy looking. As you can see over here, all-wheel drive, so this is a proper SUV, guys, not a crossover. All right, so we start from behind as usual. So once we open the boot, you can see plenty of room in a boot. It also comes with this cover that you can deploy. Okay, let's close this. Now behind you can see full leather interior in fantastic condition, really fantastic condition. I mean, look at it. There is no way you can tell that this car is 8 years old. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very good looking cabin, and everything is in fantastic condition. So let's start. Full leather steering wheel, stitched very nicely. It's multifunctional, comes with pedal shifters as well. We have one display over here for your aircon information and other things. We have infotainment screen here. Of course, it comes with Bluetooth and reverse camera, as you can see. Automatic gear selector is here with a very nice leather boot. I like this very much. We have different mode selection for off-road over here. We have handbrake that you can pull. Yes, I always like this feature in cars. Old school, reliable, easy to use. All right, okay. We have two cup holders, a storage bin here, another storage here as usual, and bottle holder on each door. Okay, in terms of other features, both seats, one more time, look how nicely kept this leather. It's macam brand new, seriously, very well kept. Okay, let's go back to it. Both seats are fully electric for driver and for the passenger as well. Another thing I really like in this car is the sunshade. As you can see, this part can be extended. It is very useful when you put it on the side here, and you can extend it so that the sun doesn't get into your eyes. Very useful, very nice, very cool. All right, also place to keep your sunglasses, always useful, should be in every single car. I still don't know why some manufacturers refuse to put sunglasses holder inside their cars. Okay, all right guys, and of course the sunroof. Yes, it can be opened, but I'll keep it closed to reduce the volume levels. All right, so here's the deal. This car still got 2 years and 1 month left on the COE. Only got 2 owners before, and the Depre is only 14,000 plus. For a proper SUV, all-wheel drive, this is a very good deal. And as you can see, the car is in great condition. When you're inside, there is no way you can tell this car is 8 years old. Seriously, very well maintained. All right, so you all know what to do. Call me. Limpe give you a good deal.